Welcome back to this tutorial. Now in this tutorial we are going to do another example related to while loop. So what will I do is I wanted to display number 1 to 10. Okay, that's what I want to display. So 1, then 2, then 3, then till 10. So all I want to display is number 1 to 10. So one way is writing debug statements 1 and then 2, then 3, then 4, which is bad, right? The other way is using loops. So anytime you have to repeat something, that's when you're going to go ahead and use loops. So I ask you to display number 1, display 1 to 10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a variable integer I is equals to 1, and then while I is less than equals to 10, I'm going to go ahead and display the value of I. System.debug value of I. Then I plus plus. And I'm incrementing the value of I by 1. You can change it to I plus 5 or whatever you want. But right now what I'm doing is I plus plus, which is going to increment the value of I by 1. So what's going to happen here is, let's go ahead and see. So first thing is I've created an integer variable called I. Wait, I will take a marker. So I have created the integer I. It is equals to 1. Then I am checking is 1 less than equals to 10. Or basically I am looking that I is equals to 10 or less than 10. It is true. What is the value of I is now? 1. So what will happen now? It will display 1. Then you are doing plus I plus plus. The new value of I become 2. Again the condition will check. 2 less than equals to 10. Is 2 less than equals to 10? Yes. Is it true? Yes, the loop will go. So what happens is, if it is true, then the statement will get executed again. So the value of I will be now 2. This is what will get printed. Value of I is equals to 2. And then I plus plus. What will be the new value of I? I becomes 3. Again the condition will check. 3 is less than equals to 10. Is it true? Yes. Again it will go ahead and display the value of I is 3. Then 3 plus plus. Similarly, let's say it goes till 10. 10 less than equals to 10. Yes, it's gonna go ahead and say value of I is equals to 10. And then I plus plus means 10 plus plus, so it becomes 11. So the value of I becomes 11, and the condition will be checked. Even 11 less than equals to 10. No, this is false. So what will happen? The control will come to line number 8. So now if I go ahead and take a look at the output of the program, let's see what happens. First, let's erase this. Now hit the execute. Go to debug only. So this is the output. First time the value of I is 1. Then the value of I would be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then up to 10. You can even change the condition to say 100, and then here instead of incrementing 1 every time, I can also say I plus equals to 10. So what will happen is it will increment the value of I by 10 every time. I is equals to, let's say, start from 1 plus 10 plus 10 equals to, instead of that, I will change it to 0. So it will only increment it by 10. So first time the value of I will be 0, then the next time will be 10, then will be 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. And once it comes after 100, the loop will stop because we are checking I less than equals to 100. So it doesn't have to increment the value by 1. You can increment the value by 10 times or 15 or whatever, or you can also decrement if you want. So let's go ahead and first see what will be the output of this program. So the output of the program should be value of I first time would be 0. Then you are incrementing the value by 10. So the next time the value of I would be 10. Then the I would be 20. I would be 30. I would be 40. I would be 50. And up till 100, it will go ahead and display. So let's go ahead and double check if our output is correct. First, let's erase this. Now hit the execute button. Yes, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Yes, correct. So this is the another example of the while loop. Now you can also start from 10 to 1. So here I can say display 10 to 1. 10 to 1 in the reverse order. So I will go and initialize I to 10, and I am checking is I is greater than equals to 1. Okay. And then I am displaying the value of I, and here I am showing I minus minus. So it is going to decrement the value of I by 1. So let's take a look at a loop. So first time I have initialized the value of I to 10. I am checking is 10 greater than equals to 1. Is this condition true? Yes, true. So this statement will get executed. So it will display the value of I would be what? Value of I would be 10. Then I am doing I minus minus. So now the new value of I becomes 9. Then again the condition will be checked. 9 is greater than equals to 1. Yes, this is also true. So this statement will get executed again. It will say value of I would be 9. And then you are saying I minus minus. So it becomes 9 minus 1, 8. So the value of I become 8. Now again the condition will be checked. Is 8 is greater than equals to 1? Yes, this is true. So next this statement will get executed again, and the value of I would be what? It is 8. Again, it will be I minus minus. New value of I will become 7. Again, the condition will be checked. If the condition true, then this statement will again be executed. So it will go ahead and display from 10 till 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This should be the output of the program. So let's go ahead and erase this. Then I will hit the execute button. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is going to be the output of this program. So you can even decrement. Okay, if you want to decrement the value by 2, you can also say I equals to I minus 2. So every time it will decrement the value by 2. So now this is the another example related to while loop. So let's meet in next tutorial. Till then, bye. Have a good day.